Workshop essentially works from two fundamental ideas, and everything that I do, every activity that I conduct, shoots from two fundamental ideas. These two fundamental ideas are this: one is to remove fear, second is to generate that empathy for the other.
Pooja is a cheerful and happy-go-lucky girl. She's an aspiring engineer who is into her final semester exams. Tomorrow is the final exam and she's engrossed in the books. She's kept the mobile off so that nobody disturbs her. And there comes tomorrow.
Having these two as a fundamental concept, there are many activities we did across 15 sessions, and I think we went for a little more than 2 months, I think about 2.5 months, and we had 2-hour sessions each time, and so we did exercises related to acting. We looked at different emotions with acting, we created different images using body, we tried to understand the significance of sound to drama. We also worked with voice, and depending on the images that we created with our bodies and sounds, etc., we tried to see if that can inspire us to write something. So we got into writing, and then of course there were many stories. Then we all came to a common understanding as to which is the story that we all should work in. So finding that point of convergence amongst people in a team.
Let's get married! What rubbish, Rahul? I have my exams. Are you want me to get married now? I'm leaving now.
Theatres were something actually new for me. I had no idea about theatres, nothing. All used to come to my mind is about Romeo and Juliet play. But when I actually attended the workshop, I came to know that theatres is not only about acting, there are a lot more things in that, much more than acting and all that. It makes you explore yourself more, makes you open to the people and let go yourself, and you can just, be yourself and do whatever you feel like.
What is this, Rahul? You lied to me in the hospital. Listen to me. No, I will not listen to you. Just answer me. I left my exams.
How to express without words, to say something which you have in your mind, and sometimes even what is not there, you're saying that also with emotions. And the best thing about acting is you feel it and then you say it out.
Pooja goes back to the examination hall. She is very much tense.
Actually, I stumbled upon this workshop by chance. I just went to check out how a theatre workshop is being conducted. But when I attended, it was a very different and wonderful experience. Each and every day was really unpredictable. We were not knowing what is going to happen in the next session.
Look at your own papers, please.
So, may I come in?
So it was a good experience, and it helped us to work together as a team. It removed a lot of fears that we had of, at least what I had of, talking or acting, because it's been a very long time since I did something like this. So it was an excellent experience. It was a brilliant experience.
Lot of encouragement to their twice to break the shell out of their daily routine to something different.
It helps you to learn so many things. It's not only about acting, it's more about talking to people, expressing your feelings, seeing without words.
Join, participate in these workshops. When any such workshops happens next, in future, you should definitely be participating in all these things, because it is a different experience for you. It's very exciting. It will have a great impact on your work and your career.